Hey traders, as we take a look at the winding down of 2025, let's take a look at a few things. Number one, we're going to take a look at 3 things you can do to improve your trading in 2025. And then I'm going to share with you 3 markets that I'm very interested in as we go into 2025. Where are the trades now? And how's Powell really upended the entirety of expectations for rate cuts? Well, interestingly enough, if we go out to December, I know it's a year from now, December 2025, but expectations are for at least 1, if not 2 more rate cuts by the early part of summer, by May. All right, so keep in mind, a pause is not the end of the rate cuts, and it doesn't mean it's a precursor to rate hikes either. All right, here are the 3 things that are going to help with, being, and I look at this too, being a better trader every single year, just improving upon what I've learned. And after 30 plus years, I'm still learning things. All right, so what's number one? Number one is have a trade tracking software. And I like to use TradesViz, TradesViz.com. There are so many out there that are amazing, whether that's Wingman Tracker, TraderView, TradeMetria, TraderSync. I've just been using TradesViz. And by the way, whether you're joining me for Charts and Coffee, Monday through Friday, 9 to 9:20, whether you're in the Sector Secrets Mastery Room with me Monday through Friday, or whether you're going to catch me in the Simpler Central Room, I will be sharing my trade results. And by the way, the trade results are the trades we make in the Sector Secrets Mastery. That's the whole idea, right? What am I doing and how do I make that something that lots of traders can take advantage of? So what we do is we think about a few things. What are things that can improve your trading? Trade tracking software. Number 2, follow the trend. Prioritize trends, especially trends with alignment. Index sector stock. Find a strong index, find the strong sectors within them, and then a strong stock. A great example would be of index sector stock alignment, NASDAQ to XLK to Apple, or NASDAQ to XLY to Amazon or Tesla, right? These are great examples of end of year index sector stock alignment. Now, what's number 3? Number 3 is going to be something that I think a lot of traders might be struggling with, and that is account growth. It doesn't matter. I've got traders in the Sector Secrets Mastery that are trying to grow 6-figure accounts. I've got traders in the Sector Secrets Mastery that are trying to grow 4-figure accounts. So I don't care if you have $70,000 or $7,000 or $700,000. The trades and the advice are the same. There's no such thing as a large account mindset any more than there's a small account mindset. We only have price of the option and liquidity. And by the way, the same challenges to a very small account are oftentimes similar challenges to large accounts. For a small account, we want to focus on low-cost options. Options where you can buy multiples in a liquid name. The same thing applies to large accounts. They want to be able to have a lot of open interest and buy multiples in order to have trades that are needle movers in a larger sized account. So we think about account growth as scalable. The same approach that I use as a new trader with a 4-figure account is the same approach that I used when I was trading 7-figure accounts in Forex, highly leveraged and $1 million+ accounts. You think it's any different, or is it a priority of risk and position management and trend, right? These are things that have worked for 30 plus years, and they will work for 30 plus more. So that's a lot of what I'm focusing on. What is the alignment? How do I track my trades? I'm going to share a lot of that with you all going into January. What is this account growth mindset? How do we apply that to small accounts, medium-sized accounts, large accounts, and Godzilla-sized accounts, right? What are the type of trends I'm taking advantage of? What are the type of sectors going into 2025 that we want to continue to watch? So let's start the conversation here on December 24 and start to prepare for January, and then tune into the free videos, join me for Charts and Coffee, and come February, after we've had this good month talking about how we've done the last year, we're going to have a really cool immersion for you all in February. So if you're looking for a way to really dive into your trading for the new year, I know January can be a tricky month, kind of getting past the holidays and the chaos that can often come with it. You know, a lot of our traders saying, Rog, yeah, let's start this off in a great, powerful way with a discussion through January and the immersion in February. Stay tuned for that. Try these out, check out these markets, and I'll see you in the next update. Happy holidays, happy Christmas, gang. Be good to each other. Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.